Some of you might want to know what kind of brushes that I use while I'm painting. Well, a couple of weeks ago I just bought like a whole bunch of brushes because I like to try out different brushes and see how they work, and these brushes, I really like the work that I'm doing with them lately. And they are Princeton Art. They're from the Princeton Art and Brush Company. That's what it says on it. And I bought myself a number 12 round, a 2/0 round. That's a very tiny one there. I bought this fan brush. I'm kind of particular about my fan brushes because the only reason I use a fan brush is I'm trying to get a special technique or effect. And so I am always trying to find a fan brush that I think will accomplish what I'm trying to do. Not all fan brushes are created equal, I must tell you. But yeah, this one's a number 4 fan, and I haven't used it yet, but I am excited about the possibility of using this. I just haven't had an opportunity doing the Figurary challenge. Not much fan brush work at this moment. There may be. I got some reference material for some figures that are outside, and I may be able to utilize this fan brush for some foliage, so that'll be great. I also got a number 4 round. Now this one does not say Princeton Art and Brush Company. This just says Princeton Imperial, but it was in with the same stand as all the rest of them, so it's still a Princeton. So I guess they're Princeton brushes. I guess so. This one's a number 6 flat, and I really like the flats. The flats are working out really good. I'm getting a nice chiseled edge, and I can do some nice fine line work with them. So I'm really liking those. I bought 2 of those little round 2/0 round brushes because they kind of get ruined pretty quick. This one's already, both of them are getting kind of ratty already in the last couple weeks. A number 4 flat, a number 8 flat, and I bought a number 8 filbert, which I haven't really used yet. I do like to use a filbert. I like to use it for mostly for rocks and stuff like that. I like to use the filberts. But lately, during the Figurary challenge, I've been using a lot of the flats. So those are the brushes that are getting the most use. Hey everybody, I'm Ken Brant, and I'm an artist. Welcome to the Figurary challenge, and this is painting number 11. And in this particular painting, I did use a lot of the color Burnt Sienna. I love that color. It's a very nice, rich color, earthy red. And I like to use it, and I do mix it with asphaltum. I do use a lot of asphaltum, as you know, and I do prefer the asphaltum from the Richardson. I'm not ever sure if I'm saying that correctly. Let me check. Yeah, Richardson, or Richson, but Richardson, I believe is the way you say it. The Richardson company, they do make a really nice asphaltum. That's the one I like to use, and it's a very nice earth color, and I love it. So as far as it's great for doing the shadow areas on skin tones, and I use it a lot in background colors. It's a very nice color to have in your repertoire of colors. So yeah, I got a lot of that in there, and I'm really liking the way this one came out, and I hope you do too. So if you do or do not, let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do, and I will see you tomorrow.